Alright, so this is going to be an iPhone 5C motherboard logic board change. And first thing you do is pop this SD card slot out, or SIM card I meant. You just pop that out, you just use a safety pin. I'll just show you real quick. Tried doing another video and I kind of messed that up. You just push on that, take the SIM card out. If you got one in it, this one I got used, and I was told it was working, but apparently not. So I wasn't too happy about that. Gave the person negative feedback for it because they lied. I was gonna get my money back, but at the same time I was like, what the hell, I'll just use this as a fun little experimentation thing. So you want to use your fingernail, loosen up the screen a little bit if you can. A lot of people use the plastic chip things to take them out with, but I got pissed off and broke them all. And so take the little screw out, kind of just like fell out. Usually they don't, but took this apart before to change the battery on it. Just trying to hold the phone steady. Here we go. Come on, you stupid iPhone. There we go. Shit, now I just lost that screw. Did I? Can't even see it, so freaking small. It looks like I lost one of the screws. Great. It's a stupid iPhone from falling over. There it is. Alright. Let's get a little tray to put it in. One thing I like about the 5Cs is how easy these are to take apart, which is surprising because usually iPhones are a pain in the ass to try to do. This is actually the first one I've ever really taken apart and tinkered with, because I was curious to see, as a fun little quarantine hobby, how hard it is. So you just like get behind the screen a little bit, pull up on it, you'll feel a little bit of tabs. It might break your fingernail. Me, I got short stubby fingernails because I got guys' hands, not the guys that get manicures or anything like that, or pedicures, whatever they're called. And so I don't know, manicure, I think. Anyway, you just pull up around the edges, lift it up gently, very gently. These little ribbon cables back here. This one doesn't have the Touch ID, so you don't gotta worry about the little ribbon cable that goes down to there. And it's gonna stop about like there before it starts getting tight. And so what I'm gonna do, and since I used a hot glue gun, glued those down, which I'm gonna have to redo since this logic board is locked, which really pissed me off, is I got a little tiny screwdriver. You gotta push down on it. Okay, let's see. plastic water bottle I'm using to hold up the phone with. Okay, that doesn't want to come out. So I have to push down a little bit harder. Convince it. There we go. That one you don't gotta touch. And so, let's see. Checking this all over, you gotta detach the little ground cable, which I'm gonna use a flathead for so I don't mess it up. Yeah, I said you gotta be careful with the ribbon cable, but I tucked it right over here. I just pulled it forward. I'm able to lift it up higher. But you don't want to yank it all the way back, because right about there is like your max point, but like almost a 90 degree. So just a little bit less than that. I should be using a smaller screwdriver. I thought this one was small enough, but apparently not. Yeah, I'm gonna have to grab a different screwdriver, which kind of pissed me off because I'm not good at editing videos where I add on to where I leave off. Just kind of just spinning on the top of that screw. That didn't work. Oops, fuck, I shouldn't have dropped that. I hope the digitizer isn't messed up now. These things are so delicate. So, make a continuation video after I find a small screwdriver.